everybody, Dr. Cameron Cavari with TriMotus.com. Last week we talked about 5 minutes to get yourself out of low back pain, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how bed rest is not the best thing you can be doing for low back. We'll kind of go over some things that you can do to help your low back if you are resting, but the big thing about low back pain is that when you have this issue, you kind of feel like you're up this creek without a paddle, right? Well, the trick is movement. Movement's the medicine. A lot of people don't want to move at all because they feel like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna break something or I'm gonna have paralysis afterwards. But trust me, the majority of low back pain issues, 98% of them, they require that movement. And movement's the medicine. And so what's agitating this problem is that if you're not moving, you're making it worse, you're making it more stiff. So constantly moving around is going to be helpful. So that's going to be the big thing. However, some of the solutions to this is that we're going to get some movement and some strength involved with some of these low back issues. And without that movement, it's almost like making some mac and cheese without having a saucepan. Just imagine how hard that would be. And so I think that some of the things that you gotta do is move, get more active, get some more blood flow, because when you do that, you're actually sending good signals up to your brain, and your brain's saying, hey, we're secure, we're better here, there's some exercise, there's some stability. But after you're doing a little bit of movement, and maybe you did the 5 minutes of working out that we've already gave you before, if you have to lay down, here are a couple things that you can do to kind of rest. Obviously in your most cool pajamas possible. When you do that, you can do a few things. Now you can come back and you can almost grab and kind of hold here, and just hold and hang tight in this position. That would be great. Or you can kind of rest your legs on an ottoman or a couch. And try to just stay there and breathe into your belly. Just work on maybe even 4 seconds into your belly. Inhale, exhale, 4 seconds. Work on that breathing in that position, and then constantly moving around. So if you're going to be lying in that position, maybe going onto your belly and working on that. And so what we're going to do is to solve this problem, because you're like, well, now I got to move, now I got to exercise. What the heck do I do, doc? Well, this is what we're going to do. So next week we're going to basically go over a circuit, and I'm going to go over this, not that videos, and making sure that you're doing the right exercises to make sure that you can eliminate that low back pain fast, to give you some security and give you some of that strength that you need in your core. Any questions you have, obviously comment below, like this video, and if you do like the video, subscribe and so you don't miss the next one.